my hungry vegan family? So a lot has changed since our last video, which has been ages ago. But anywho, today is a very exciting day because in addition to, I know I got a little spot. So in addition to being a vegan chef, I love home decor, and I love just, decorating, all that stuff like that, especially because we just got a new home, which I'm so excited about. 2020 was really definitely a blessing. But anyways, I got a exciting surprise in the mail today. So guess what it is? He's here. It's the angel. It's the angel. Okay, so we're gonna do an unboxing in 3, 2, 1. We're all done. Woo! Okay, come on, let's go see it. Oh, oh, I'm so happy. Okay, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and of course cooking videos as well. But I definitely suggest you guys go on walmart.com and get one of the egg chairs. It was $2.97, something like that. But it was really worth it. I've been wanting one of these forever. So please go get one and, ask them for endorsement from me. I need some money. All right, bye. Until next time, stay hungry. Bye.